Really excited to be here, really pleased to got an invite. Really important opportunity to introduce the Lunnon Metals story, hopefully to a new set of eyes, new investors, potential investors on the Eastern Seaboard. It's a beautiful place. There's a really good vibe around the conference. Really looking forward to presenting. Big document out yesterday. A lot of work went into that, big body of work, and it was important to draw a line underneath the work we've been doing on nickel. Obviously, we've mentioned a few times that we'd received some contract rate in the March quarter. The original PFS went back to May 2023, and it was important more from a housekeeping point of view that we updated the market. Really pleased that the prices at Baker didn't really change. I think in 2023 the all-in cost was $370 a tonne, and it went up to kind of $390 to $400. Foster was more expensive. We were expecting it to be more expensive. There's a lot of pre-development capital required at Foster with respect to the decline and the shaft, so that came in about $100 a tonne. More expensive at $490 to $500. But I think it was a timely reminder as to the real value of Baker. Baker is high grade, it's high quality. Even at the current nickel price, which everyone says is depressed because of Indonesia, Baker still makes $70 million or thereabouts free cash flow and has an NPV above $50 million. Yes, Foster broke even, but even Foster, at a small modicum above the nickel price that we're currently experiencing, offers great leverage for shareholders. So I think it was a timely reminder to the value. We put a lot of effort into our nickel assets, obviously, and it's important they have inherent value, not just to us, but there's other players in the Kembala-Wijimota district who are long nickel, and it's not just BHP. You know, there's more than one horse in town, but we're still 100% gold focused. And I was really pleased to see that the analysts who covered the stock really understood the key points in the document that went out on Monday. The really exciting thing is, and I tried to get this message across in the MD's comment in the announcement, that the gold process, the gold work we're doing is being really successful. And that really does afford the company and its shareholders the opportunity to bide our time. Nickel is fickle. We are 100% gold focused now, and it looks like Lady Harriel is going to be really cash flow benefit for the company. So we're not in any rush on the nickel. There's an old saying, it doesn't rust in the ground. There's no rush to dig it out. Nickel will have its day again, and Baker especially is extremely valuable, and Foster has a lot of upside value. But in the meantime, Lady Harriel and the gold work, we're in one of the world's best gold belts, and I'm here at Noosa to introduce hopefully to new eyes and new shareholders just how special our tenement holding at St Ives and Kembala is. We're in the middle of a 16 million ounce field that's been produced by WMC and then Goldfields since the early 1980s. It's, as I like to say, it's one of the best gold belts you never hear about because it sits inside a foreign company, and we are the only ASX listed company that owns 100% their mining tenement in Kembala St Ives. It affords us great optionality on gold, and I've mentioned earlier the optionality on nickel. So very lucky to be in such an amazing address.